Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the current support and resistance levels from the higher time frame to lower time frame. So when we look at the economical events calendar for today is Thursday, September 15th. At 7 AM we have high impacting news for Australian dollar related currency pairs, and at 6 PM we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs, followed by which we have low impacting news also planned. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trades, entry and exit. Let us begin our gold analysis. Current price I'm in daily time frame. When we look at the current price action, it was continuously in the bearish trend and it took support on the support level of 1689, and we have noticed a price action to trend on the bullish side, and it has found resistance around the resistance level of 1735, and it fell on a very strong bearish trend reversal, and currently we are noticing the market to retrace back on the bullish side. So the highest it went on a retracement was around 1735, and from this level it has bounced back on the bearish side retracement, and the lowest it went was 1689. So the current price action is trading between this highest resistance level and the lowest support level on a sideways price action. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. As long as the price action is trading between these resistance levels and this support level, we can expect the price action to be trending on a sideways momentum in daily time frame. And these are all the resistance levels for the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. So I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the past price action in 4 hours time frame, it was continuously trending on a bearish trend, and it has taken support on the bullish channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame, and as long as the price action doesn't break this support line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Still the current price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, and if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance from the daily time frame is going to be around 1718, and only when the price action breaks these resistance levels, we can expect the bullish side trend to continue, and this level of 1735 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance, because we have noticed a past price action to fall from these resistance levels. And once the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to trend on the bearish side. Next level of support from the higher time frame, it's going to be around 1689. So wait for the price action to break this support line if you want to take trades on the bearish side, and wait for the price action to break the previous high, which is going to be around 1707, to take trades on the bullish side trend. Currently it is showing the sign of recovery. Wait for the proper trend to start before entering into the trade. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we have noticed the price action to fall on a bearish side retracement and to take support on the 4 hours time frame support line or the trend line. And presently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Wait for the price action to break the previous resistance levels in order to get the confirmation on the bullish side trend continuation, and if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance, it's going to be around 1718 from the daily time frame, and if the price action breaks this support line, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame. Next level of support is going to be around 1689 from the daily time frame, and only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect the bearish trend to start in hourly time frame. So we have a very strong support zone on the bearish side also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Again, I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this to understand the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame, and wait for the price action to break this resistance line and to break the previous high in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement. Otherwise, we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support line from the 4 hours time frame and the hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is currently trending on the bearish side. Currently it has taken support on the bullish channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame, and it is trying to recover from this support level on the bullish side retracement. First it has to break this resistance line from the daily time frame in order to trend on the bullish side retracement. So again, I would recommend you to draw trend lines or the support line to understand the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame. So in 30 minutes time frame, as long as the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance line from the hourly time frame, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. And next level of support on the bearish side from the daily time frame is going to be around 1689. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. So currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is on a bearish trend, trading between this support and resistance levels. And if you are a scalper, you can be trading within this resistance and support line. So these are all the resistance and support line for 15 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to be trading within this resistance and support line in 15 minutes time frame also. And as long as the price action is trading within this resistance and support line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. And only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in 15 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.